Part 2 reads, explain 5 computer hardware components that are required when establishing a multimedia platform for e-commerce. Computer hardware components required when establishing a multimedia platform for e-commerce. The first hardware component is the central processing unit. The CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer system and handles the processing of data. It performs calculations, executes instructions, it manages the overall operation of the system, and so on. So a powerful CPU is essential for handling multimedia tasks effectively and efficiently. Graphics processing unit. Graphics processing unit. One may also need the graphics processing unit, which is responsible for rendering and processing graphic intensive tasks such as high resolution images, videos, animations, and so on. It accelerates the processing of visual data, ensuring a smooth playback and also display of multimedia content. So when installing multimedia platform and establishing a multimedia platform, is important to have the graphics processing unit. 3. Random access memory. Random access memory, the RAM. RAM is a temporary storage that holds data and instructions that the CPU needs for immediate processing. And for the multimedia platforms or applications, a sufficient amount of RAM is required to handle the large data sets and facilitate smooth multitasking and multimedia processing. Random access memory. 4. Hard drive disk. Hard drive disk. HDD. HDD. Right? Or what may be required, if not a HDD, is what we call solid state drive. The solid state drive, the SSD, the solid state drive. Now, candidate storage drives are essential for storing multimedia files such as images, videos, audio files, and other e-commerce content. So HDDs provide larger storage capacities at a lower cost, while SSDs offer faster data access and improved system performance. So when establishing a multimedia platform for e-commerce, a hard disk drive or a solid state drive may be essential. 5 computer. These are 4. Then number 5, sound card and speakers. Sound card and speakers. For multimedia platforms, A sound card is necessary to provide high quality audio output, and combined with speakers or even headphones, it enables users to experience audio content that is associated with e-commerce, such as product demos, testimonials, background music, and so on. So candidates, these are the components, and these components work together to support multimedia content creation, storage, processing, and presentation in an e-commerce environment. Number one, central processing unit. Then we have the GPU, graphics processing unit, the random access memory, the hard drive disk, the solid state disk, and sound card and speakers. These are 5 components, 5 marks.